We're gonna unbox not one, not two, but 3 Olive Garden pasta passes. Let's get started. Alright, so which one is that? Okay, yeah. So this one here is Alyssa's.
I'm Alyssa.
Okay, it's on camera. There it is. There's the first one. You want to go ahead and open that up.
Looks like this.
Nice. Yes.
It looks like that.
Yeah, so we've got the official pasta passport. We've got pasta pass and a pasta pass holder. So there's the first one. Now, I'll give that one a try.
This one might be my mom's.
Yeah. Yeah, we're able to get one. We were able to get one pasta. We were able to get one pasta pass from Olive Garden. They sent that one to us, which was very kind of them. Thank you, Olive Garden. And then on Pasta Pass Day, we were able to get one for Alyssa, and we also got one for Alyssa's mom, my mother-in-law. So there's 2 pasta passes. Now, which one is it? There it is. Got a 3rd pasta pass. Go ahead and give that a cut. And there is our 3rd pasta pass. And there that is. Let's go hold them all up. 3 pasta passes. Because this is the Food Pass channel, and we take food passes seriously. Some may say way too seriously. I don't know who says that. Alright, there we have it, our 3 pasta passes. And if we go ahead and open this up, can get a closer look here. We get our pasta passport, and in here got a welcome message, some tips on how it works, what's included. Then on this page we've got different combinations of pasta and sauce and toppings, with these little stickers here we can place on them as we complete a combination. We also have a few more fun stickers in here. And then we've got our pasta pass holder. This will stick to the back of your phone. You can put your pasta pass in there, so you always have your pasta pass with you. Now I can open up this other one too. Got all the same things in there. And we can open up the 3rd one. And that's got all the same things in there. There we have our 3 pasta passes. What's kind of funny though, this isn't the most pasta passes I've ever held. I don't know if I have a picture of it. No, I do know I have a picture of it. But will I put that picture up on screen right now?
He's bragging.
What? No. Okay.
He likes
Pasta
it.
passes.
It's his thing.
So if you want more content on food passes, pasta passes, be sure to subscribe to us on the Food Pass channel. And for even more content, go ahead and follow us on Instagram. But yeah, as the Olive Garden pasta pass season's about to begin, we're gonna have a lot of pasta pass related content. But let us know down below anything you want to see, and we might do it.